planted some lavender last year, and this one did not make it through the winter. This one's looking pretty good. It looks quite healthy. It's a different variety, so I planted, have 3 different varieties, and this one did fine. This one did not make it. You can tell it's dead. It just breaks and is dry. And then this one over here, sort of half and half. This one's years old, and last year I covered it over the winter, and this year I did not. So it's still doing okay. It's got a lot of little blooms coming on, but it's also got a lot of dead branches I need to clear out of it as well. My thought with this one is that I will strip off the leaves and dry them and see if they have a good lavender scent to be used for candles and potpourri and things like that. And if they don't, if they have lost that, then I am going to just throw them away. But I figured I would try that before just tossing them. This one that did not make it through the East Tennessee winter this year was this variety, Goodwin Creek Lavender. The lavender that made it through the winter with flying colors is this one, Munstead Lavender. All 3 of the other lavender plants died, and all 3 of these lavenders have survived and grown and are starting to bloom.